The ATM just kept my card.
What do you mean?
It didn't give it back.
Did the screen say anything?
It says your card has been retained.
Don't panic.
How can I not panic?
This sometimes happens.
Really?
Yes,
Why would an ATM keep my card?
there are several reasons.
Like what?
You may have entered the wrong PIN too many times.
Pen?
Your secret 4-digit number.
Oh, my PIN.
Exactly.
I think I entered it 3 times.
That explains it.
What should I do now?
First, call your bank.
Right now?
Yes,
Will they block my card?
they probably will.
Block?
It means nobody can use your card.
That's good.
It protects your money.
Can I still get cash today?
Do you have mobile banking?
Hopefully, yes.
Then you can withdraw money without your card.
Withdraw?
It means taking money out of your bank account.
Withdraw.
Exactly.
That's useful.
Very useful.
What if I need a new card?
The bank will send you a replacement.
Replacement.
A new card instead of the old one.
Replacement.
Correct.
How long will it take?
Usually a few business days.
That's not too bad.
No,
Honestly, I thought I had lost all my money.
your money is still safe.
That's a relief.
Today you learned PIN, block, withdraw, and replacement.
And today I learned not to panic before reading the screen. I think my Uber just left me without me.
Did you miss it?
No, it picked up someone else.
Seriously?
We were both wearing black jackets.
That explains a lot.
I even waved at the driver.
And
And
he smiled,
then
then
drove away with another passenger.
that's awkward.
Very.
Let me see your app.
Here,
What does it say?
driver has arrived.
Did you check the pickup point?
Pickup point?
The exact place where the driver meets you.
I thought it was this corner.
Look again.
Oh,
What?
it says north entrance,
Where are we now?
south entrance.
There's the problem.
They're on opposite sides.
Exactly.
I didn't even notice.
It happens.
Should I cancel?
Not yet.
Why?
Call the driver first.
Hello?
Hi, I'm waiting for my Uber.
I'm here too.
Really?
Which entrance are you at?
North entrance.
I'm at the south entrance.
That's why I couldn't find you.
Can you come around?
Sure.
Thank you.
It'll take about 3 minutes.
No problem.
While we wait,
Yes?
serious but helpful.
Check the license plate when the car arrives.
License plate?
The number on the front and back of the car.
License plate.
Exactly.
That helps me find the right car.
And keeps you safe.
Good point.
Here comes your Uber. This time I'll check everything.
Smart choice.
Cheerful and reflective. Today I learned pickup point, north entrance, south entrance, and license plate.
And today you learned that the right driver at the wrong entrance is still the wrong ride.
My own house won't let me in.
Did you forget your keys?
I don't need keys.
Then what's the problem?
I have a smart door lock.
And?
I think it's dead.
Dead?
The battery, not the door.
That's a relief.
It won't unlock.
Does it make any sound?
Just one tiny beep.
That's usually a low battery warning.
Low battery?
The battery is almost empty.
I should have changed it.
When did you last replace it?
Honestly,
Yes?
I don't remember.
That's probably why.
Can I still open the door?
Maybe.
How?
Does your lock have a backup key?
Backup key?
A spare key for emergencies.
Oh.
Do you have one?
Yes,
Great.
but it's inside the house.
That's not helping.
I know.
Do you have the mobile app?
Hopefully.
Yes.
Can it connect? No.
Then the battery is completely dead.
Wonderful.
Don't worry.
I always worry.
Some smart locks have an emergency power port.
Emergency power?
You connect a small battery from outside.
Really?
Yes.
I never knew that.
Look under the keypad.
Wait,
Do you see it?
yes.
Perfect.
What do I need?
A power bank.
I have one in my backpack.
Connect it.
The keypad lit up.
Now enter your code.
It worked.
Welcome home.
First thing tomorrow.
Buy new batteries.
Absolutely.
Today I learned low battery, backup key, emergency power, and power bank.
Today I learned my front door is smarter than I am. Is everyone always in this much of a hurry?
Welcome to the emergency room.
I've never been here before.
What's the problem?
I cut my hand while cooking.
Let me see.
Here.
It's bleeding.
Is it serious?
I don't think so.
That's good.
But a nurse should look at it.
Do I need an appointment?
Not in the emergency room.
Really?
Emergencies don't need appointments.
That makes sense.
First, we'll check you in.
Check in?
It means we register your information.
Check in.
Exactly.
What happens next?
A nurse will examine your hand.
Examine?
Look at it carefully.
Examine.
Correct.
Will I need stitches?
Maybe.
Stitches?
Small threads used to close a cut.
I hope not.
We'll find out soon.
Does it look deep?
A little.
I was cutting vegetables.
Sharp knife.
Very sharp.
That happens a lot.
I feel embarrassed.
Don't.
Why?
We see accidents every day.
That's comforting.
The doctor is ready.
Already?
Yes.
Good.
You'll only need 2 stitches.
Only 2?
That's the good news.
I was expecting 10.
You watch too many movies.
Maybe I do.
Today I learned check in, examine, stitches, and emergency room.
And today I learned vegetables can fight back. This bill can't be mine.
What's wrong with it?
I only ordered a burger.
Let me have a look.
It says $48.
That doesn't sound right.
I was expecting around 20.
What did you order?
A cheeseburger and a lemonade.
Nothing else?
That's all.
Let me check the bill.
Sure.
I see the problem.
Really?
There's a steak dinner on your bill.
I never ordered steak.
I believe you.
So what happened?
I think 2 tables were mixed up.
Mixed up.
The wrong order was added to your bill.
That explains the price.
Exactly.
Can you fix it?
Of course.
Thank you.
Give me 1 minute.
No problem.
I'll remove the steak
Great.
and the dessert.
Dessert.
Someone at the next table ordered chocolate cake.
Lucky them.
Not lucky for your bill.
True.
Here's the updated bill.
$21.
Does that look correct?
Much better.
Would you like to pay by cash or card?
Card, please.
Go ahead.
Done.
Payment approved.
Perfect.
I'm really sorry about the mistake.
These things happen.
We'd like to offer you a free dessert.
Really?
Yes.
Then maybe I will have that chocolate cake.
Good choice.
Today I learned bill, mixed up, updated bill, and payment approved.
And today you learned that checking the bill can save both money and surprises. Hello? Is anyone there?
Yes, I can hear you.
Thank goodness.
Are you inside the elevator?
Yes, it stopped all of a sudden.
Stay calm.
I'm trying.
Did the doors open?
No, they won't move.
Which floor were you going to?
The 9th floor.
Are you alone?
Yes, just me.
Don't worry. I'm calling the maintenance team.
How long will they take?
Around 10 minutes.
10 minutes?
I know it feels long.
I have a job interview.
What time?
In 20 minutes.
We still have a chance.
I hope so.
Is the light still on?
Yes.
Good.
The fan is working too.
That's a good sign.
I just don't like small spaces.
I understand.
Can you really fix it?
The technicians are already here.
That was fast.
They're checking the control panel now.
I hear something.
That's them.
I think the elevator is moving.
Slowly.
I think it stopped again.
Only for a second.
Please don't scare me like that.
Sorry.
Wait,
What happened?
it's opening!
Great.
I'm finally out!
Welcome back.
How many minutes?
9 minutes.
Really?
You still have 11 minutes before your interview.
I might actually make it.
Run.
I'm already running.
Good luck.
Thanks.
And next time,
Yes?
maybe take the stairs.
After today, I just might. Excuse me, please don't let that gate close.
I'm trying. The scanner won't read my ticket.
My train is already at the platform.
Mine too, and now we're both stuck.
Try scanning it one more time.
This is my 5th attempt.
5th?
Either the scanner is broken or it doesn't like me.
Let me take a look.
Please, I'm running out of time.
Wait a second.
Did you find the problem?
You're scanning the QR code upside down.
You're kidding.
Turn the ticket over.
Like this?
Yes. Try again.
It worked.
Hurry, the doors are about to close.
You go first.
No, you were here before me.
Just run.
Thanks.
Come on. Open.
Did you make it?
Almost.
Almost?
The doors closed right in front of me.
Oh no.
I hoped you catch your train.
And you missed yours.
Looks like Monday picked his favorite person.
I really don't know what to say.
Then promise me one thing.
What?
Next time, don't let anyone scan a ticket upside down.
Deal.
And if we meet again,
Yes?
you owe me a coffee.
That's fair.
Oh no, my coffee.
What happened?
I spilled it all over my passport.
Your passport?
Yes, it's completely wet.
Let me see.
Here,
The cover is wet.
is that a problem?
Maybe.
Maybe?
We should check the inside pages.
They don't look good.
Some pages are sticking together.
What should I do?
First, don't panic.
I'm trying.
Is your flight today?
In 2 hours.
Then we still have some time.
I hope so.
Can you open the photo page?
Slowly?
Yes, very slowly.
There it is.
Good.
Is the photo okay?
Yes.
That's a relief.
Can you read your passport number?
Passport number?
The number printed inside your passport.
Oh, I see it.
Is it still clear?
Yes.
Great.
Does the coffee stain matter?
Stain?
Yes.
A stain is a dirty mark.
Stain.
Exactly.
I hope immigration doesn't mind.
As long as the important information is readable, you should be fine.
Readable?
It means easy to read.
Readable.
Correct.
Should I dry it with a tissue?
Gently.
Like this?
Perfect.
It's looking better.
Don't rub the pages.
Why?
They could tear.
Good point.
Keep it open for a few minutes.
Okay.
Do you have a passport cover?
Slightly embarrassed. No.
You should buy one.
I definitely will.
It protects your passport.
Regretful, but accepting.
What happened to your coffee?
I was checking my boarding pass.
Boarding pass?
Yes,
That's the ticket you use to board the plane.
boarding pass.
Exactly.
I was holding both at the same time.
And the coffee slipped?
Right onto my passport.
That's unlucky.
Very unlucky.
But your passport is okay.
That's all that matters.
Today you learned passport number, stain, readable, and boarding pass.
And today I learned one very important lesson.
What's that?
Relieved and humorously serious. Coffee and passports should never travel together. My white shirt isn't white anymore.
What color is it now?
Pink.
Pink?
Bright pink.
What happened?
I just finished doing my laundry.
Did you wash it with colored clothes?
I don't think so.
Let's take a look.
Here it is.
Well,
Don't laugh.
I'm trying not to.
It was my favorite shirt.
Did you wash anything red?
Wait,
What?
my new red hoodie.
There it is.
That caused this?
Most likely.
I had no idea.
Was it the first time you washed it?
Yes.
New clothes sometimes release color.
Release color?
The color comes out into the water.
Oh,
That's called color bleeding.
color bleeding.
Exactly.
I wish I knew that yesterday.
Don't worry.
My shirt doesn't agree.
Did you wash your laundry separately?
Separately?
White clothes and colored clothes should be washed separately.
Separately.
That's right.
Nobody told me that.
Now you know.
Can I fix it?
Maybe.
Really?
Try washing it again with a color remover.
Color remover?
It's a product that removes unwanted color.
I need that.
Most supermarkets sell it.
I'll buy one today.
Good idea.
I also used hot water.
Hot water?
Was that bad?
Sometimes hot water makes the color spread faster.
So I made 2 mistakes.
Maybe 3.
3?
You never checked the washing label.
Washing label?
The small tag inside your clothes.
Oh,
It tells you how to wash them.
I always ignore that.
Most people do.
Not anymore.
Good.
Today I learned color bleeding, separate, color remover, and washing label.
And today, your white shirt became a very expensive English lesson.
Please tell me I didn't throw it away.
Throw what away?
The restaurant receipt.
Before paying?
I think so.
Where did you put it?
It was on the tray.
And then?
I cleaned the table.
Oh no.
Everything went into the trash.
Including the receipt?
I think so.
Don't panic.
That's becoming my life story.
Which table were you sitting at?
Table 12.
What did you order?
A chicken sandwich and an iced tea.
That's easy to find.
Really?
Every order is saved in the system.
Saved?
Yes, every order has a record.
That's good news.
Do you remember your server's name?
Her name was Emma.
Perfect.
Will I need the receipt?
Not anymore.
Why?
We can print another one.
Print another one?
That's called a duplicate receipt.
Duplicate receipt?
Exactly.
I didn't know restaurants could do that.
Most restaurants can.
That's a relief.
Let me check your order.
Sure.
Confirming chicken sandwich,
Yes.
iced tea.
Correct.
Your total is $18.40.
That sounds right.
Here's your duplicate receipt.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I almost climbed into the trash can.
Please don't.
Why not?
We'd have to charge you for cleaning, too.
Fair enough.
Today I learned receipt, duplicate receipt, record, and server.
And today I learned that trash cans never give refunds.